let's get to know the Sprigg HR vacation and time off tracking module that we like to call My Time. To begin, navigate to the My Time icon in the menu bar. Here we are presented with a calendar, the types of time off requests we can make, and our personal allotment for the year. Notice, for example, we have 15 days of vacation remaining. To submit a request, we simply click on which type of time off we're looking to get. For the purposes of this video, let's request vacation. Now all we need to do is give this request a description, like going to Italy, and then pick a start and end date for the period we need off. Now just click Submit to Manager. Three things have happened. Our manager just got a notification of the request. We've been given a visual indication of the request to make sure it's right, and our allotment has adjusted to reflect our new remaining amount of days. If at any time we want to make changes, we can simply click on the request inside the calendar and then hit Cancel. This will wipe out the request and return any days included back into your allotment remaining. As an employee, our job is now done and we wait for approval. Let's switch now to the leader's role in managing time off requests. The first thing to notice is under My Tasks, we now have a notification that we need to approve this newly requested time off. We can simply click the link and it will take us to where we need to be. However, if for some reason we don't have this link, we can always manage time off requests by going to Leader Tools and then Team Time. This is where we manage our whole team's time off requests. Let's go back though and use the quick link from My Tasks, as it will take us to the specific request that needs attention. Here we are brought to an overview of our employee's time off submission. We have in view the start and end dates, the length, and finally status, along with what type of time off this specific request is for. Before making any decisions, we can take a quick look on the calendar and make sure there's no conflicts with, as an example, goal deadlines or other time off requests inside the company. If everything looks good to us, though, we can simply hit the Approve button at the top of the page and our employee now officially has their time off booked. Any days included in the request will be automatically subtracted from their allotment. Lastly, let's talk about how we manage time off for our whole team. As mentioned before, this is done in the Team Time page, which will bring up our calendar, but more importantly, we now have access to all of our employees' time off data points. And all of this data can be easily exported to an Excel spreadsheet for reporting purposes. Let's scroll down to Ann Parker, who just got 5 days of vacation approved. Let's say we want to make adjustments to this employee. Simply click on the Manage Time Off Requests button. Now we have in view all time off requests that have been approved. From here, we can cancel a specific request if needed, but we can also create a time off request on behalf of our employee. Maybe as an administrator, for example, we'd like to keep track of sick days. The process is very similar. We describe it and give a start and end date. Once this is created, there's no need for any other actions. Our employee will be notified of this time off, and any relevant allotments will be adjusted accordingly. And that is My Time. Thanks for joining me in this time off tutorial.